Want to instantly boost your website's trustworthiness and skyrocket your SEO with glowing Google reviews? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, the easy way, using Essential Addons for Elementor. First things first, make sure you've got Essential Addons for Elementor installed and activated. If you haven't already, head over to Plugins, click Add New, search for Essential Addons, install, and activate it. It's a game changer. Trust me. Now, open up the WordPress page you want to add the reviews to using Elementor. This could be your homepage, a landing page, or even a dedicated testimonials page wherever you want those reviews to shine. In the Elementor sidebar, scroll down to find the Essential Addons widgets. Look for the Google Reviews widget. It's usually located toward the bottom. Simply drag and drop this widget onto your desired location on the page. Great! Now you'll see a placeholder review appear. This is where the magic happens on the left-hand side. In the Elementor settings panel, you'll see options to connect to Google Places. You'll need a Google API key and a Place ID. To get those, follow Essential Addons documentation linked in the description. It guides you step by step through the process of generating your Google API key and finding your Place ID from Google Places. It involves visiting the Google Cloud Platform and Google Maps platform. Once you've entered your API key and Place ID, your actual Google reviews will automatically populate. You can customize the look and feel of the reviews with the styling options provided in the Elementor settings, like changing colors, fonts, and the number of reviews displayed. Finally, hit publish or update on your page, and that's it. You've successfully embedded your Google reviews on your WordPress website. This not only builds trust with your visitors, but it also gives your SEO a significant boost in those 5-star rankings.